You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
You can see clouds moving into Shasta County as the storm heads our way. This is a time-lapse video of Shasta Ski Park. And now we're bringing in Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff with a look at your forecast. Jason, what's the storm going to be looking like?
We're going to have a couple different good chances for rain and snow. Unfortunately, there's going to be a lot of strong wind with the second storm that we're going to get. We don't have the storm clouds that we're going to receive just yet, but they are moving our direction. Highs today were cooler than yesterday and cooler than average. We only reached 54 in Corning, Redding, and Chico. It was a mild 55 in Oroville. Weaverville stuck under more clouds, only reached 36 today. We had a high briefly of 42 in Mount Shasta. So late tonight through early tomorrow, we're going to have an increase in those clouds, and we'll have a slight chance for some spotty showers over the mountains of Shasta County, but very little. That's going to be small potatoes compared to what we expect coming forward. So by tomorrow morning, a little bit more snow shower activity over Siskiyou and Trinity counties, and then by noon and especially tomorrow afternoon, we'll have a better chance for valley rain and mountain snow, especially in Trinity County. It's going to be mainly snow. So by about this time tomorrow night, it will not be as dry at Arteza season as it is right now. We're going to have a good chance for valley rain. We'll have stronger breezes, not that windy, but already more snow falling in the mountains, much of which is going to be coming to an end in the valley by late tomorrow night. But again, that's just the first round. We're going to have another round of clouds, rain, breezes, and mountain snow coming in by about this time Friday night, similar to Thursday, but that's just the precursor to the larger storm coming in on Saturday. Late Friday night and Saturday, we're going to have much stronger wind along with the valley rain and the mountain snow. It's going to be heavier for everyone also. We'll turn to just showers of rain and snow by late Sunday afternoon. Thankfully, the wind won't be as strong, but it's going to be windy late Friday through much of Saturday. We'll have fewer clouds Monday into Tuesday as another storm tries to approach our way, but we're still going to have 4 days of rainy, snowy weather to get through. Make sure you stay safe on the roads. Now, as far as these incoming storms are concerned, through Friday night, most of the valley receiving less than an inch of precipitation, mainly just rain, but for the mountains, closer to 1.5 inches. And then we have the second storm, which should bring twice the amount of rain and snow than the first one's going to do. It's going to be healthy amounts. So for the valley, between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain, a possibility. For the mountains, between 3 and 4.5 inches of precipitation, which is going to translate roughly to 3 to 4.5 feet of snow. You can see that too in our snow accumulations. For the first storm, most places less than a foot of snow. However, with that second one, it's going to be longer lasting, very windy weather too. I would recommend against traveling over our mountains this coming weekend. Some places it may not even be possible anyway. So make sure you stay very safe and very dry with this incoming snowy weather. As far as the wind is concerned, we're going to have some breezes developing tomorrow afternoon, but it's going to get much stronger by Friday night and Saturday, which you can see in the latter part of our futurecast. Here's Friday at 8 p.m. and then look at the overnight hours into early Saturday. Some wind gusts in the valley between 45 and 50 miles an hour. Not as windy on Sunday though. So we have winter weather advisories for almost all our mountains. This is the areas in purple, but it also includes the Sierra. Then all the areas in blue, a winter storm watch from Friday night through Monday morning. And again, a lot of those mountain roads will be impassable. So I recommend staying off of them. We could have between 2 and 4 additional feet of snow after the first storm. Currently, we have both a wind advisory and a high wind watch for Modoc County, but I guarantee you we're going to have some advisories issued for the valley for Friday and Saturday because it's going to be windy. Here's your forecast for tonight. Increasing clouds, overnight lows in the 30s and lower 40s for the valley and foothills, with teens and 20s in the mountains. Tomorrow will not be as warm. 30s in the mountains, 40s and a few lower 50s for the valley and the foothills. And the next 7 days, half of it is going to be very wet and windy, especially in Chico Saturday, Friday night too. Daytime highs near 50. And for Redding, also good chances for rain and gusty wind Thursday through Sunday. But Saturday by far is going to be the windiest day, and that wind is going to start blowing by Friday night.
Thanks, Jason. We'll definitely